Hi, I'm Katie from SaintyCo Pharma Process Equipment. I'm here today to show you some of our process lines to make your gummies. Today we have our G80 gummy series. It's one of our smaller automated gummy machines. And I'm going to go through a few of the stations with you so you understand what this machine entails. So to start with, we have our cooking skid. So together on the cooking skid is a 150-liter mixing and stirring tank for dissolving. Each tank has a jacketed layer along with mixing arms inside. And then we have our transfer pump to transfer into the storage tank. The storage tank also has the jacketed outside along with the mixing arms inside. We have dosing pumps here for dosing your colors or citric acid, depending on which way you like to set up your gummy production. And then we're going to move into depositing section. We start out with having a mold to go underneath our hopper. These rods will move up and down, pumping the slurry down into our molds at specific amounts that you desire. After the slurry in its molds, move our slurry system through our cooling tunnel. And inside our cooling tunnel here, our gummies will come across still through this section as they stay in the cold. And as they come around the end, they'll come back on this bottom layer, still with gummies on them. And then from there, we're going to the demolding section. After our gummies have gone through the cooling tunnel, back around, in our middle section and under here is the demolding section. Pins get pressed by the plate inside. There are brushes and air to remove any excess. The gummies move from between depositing and cooling section onto our blue conveyor. They'll come to the back of our machine and come out the back end here, where you can put them on a drying tray or on another conveyor into a coating drum of some sort.